So once we've imported the knife, we're going to transform it to rotate its position and fine-tune its location. First of all, if we use the move tool here, we already have access to transformation controls if we activate show transformation controls right there on the options bar. See, we'll now receive these handles here, which will allow us to rotate, move, transform our object. We can scale it, we can change its orientation horizontally, vertically, and if we move our cursor just out of bounds, we can rotate. So you see, we've already taken care of the transformation of this object right here. However, though, I'm going to hit escape to exit out of the transformation process. If you wish to exit out without applying it, just applying transformation to an object, hit escape. We go up to edit and we go down to transform. You see we have all of these items in place: scale, rotate, skew, distort, perspective. I'm not going to go over each one, but if we click on, like, say, perspective, we're then allowed to apply a bit of perspective distortion to the selected object. If I go back to edit, transform, and do something like warp, you'll get this cool mesh which will allow you to modify and transform the nature of the image there. See, give it a wicked hook in the blade and curve. Same rules apply. If you hit escape, it'll exit out of that. In our case here, all we really need to do is flip it almost like inside out so that it's facing the opposite direction. Or you could very easily go to transform and flip horizontal. Either way will work just fine. And then using the rotation transformation tool setting there, or rotation, whichever option works for you, set that in place and then hit enter to apply the transformation. You have to remember to hit enter to apply transformation to an object in order to put it in place.